Little walkthrough of our room here, 321 at the Canopy in the Trocadero area of Paris. This is the Canopy by Hilton. So we're in room 321. It's a corner room, really nice. So you walk in, you got your little storage area for luggage. Right here is a small ironing board. And here you got the safe. Down here is a drawer for some clothes and whatnot. A nice mirror. Over here you got your coffee bar. And here's a small fridge, which came in handy. A little Nespresso machine, which really wasn't enough for us. Okay, walk in. You've got your toilet, which is separate from your shower, which is kind of nice. If you have to use a restroom and your significant other is in the shower, you don't need to bother them. So that was kind of nice. And here's the bathroom. Got the truth mirror here, which is kind of cool. Rotates. And the one disappointing thing was the shower. This shower was absolutely terrible. So you can see where it's mounted, it was very inconvenient. When you take a shower, of course this is not a door, it's a half door, it just sits there, it doesn't move. When you take a shower, the water splashes against here and gets everywhere. We had to put towels down here because it leaked so much. It was crazy, it was ridiculous. And you have to, I guess, stand over there, which is kind of awkward to shower because it's kind of at a slant. So that was one thing I really didn't care for. It was a terrible design, I don't understand it whatsoever. And moving on here, a little desk area for working. It's a bit of a mess. We're checking out today, so our garbage is full. A couple chairs. You got a little door here. It opens, but there's not much of a balcony. Garden view in the middle. There's some offices over there. Camera back in here. Close that up. And lastly, we have the bedroom. Really nice king bed, absolutely amazing, very comfortable. Love the pillows, comforter was wonderful. Got the lights on up here that come on up here. Some bedside lights. Got all your controls right there. There's some USB outlets as well as regular outlet for a European plug, of course. And we had the rollaway bed for our 8-year-old, which was great. He loved it. It was very comfortable. And we have 2 more doors over here that open just the same. Still not much of a great view from here, but still beautiful, nice day. And up here you can see that's the rooftop where you can go up and have a smoke, have a drink, hang out, and get a beautiful view of the Eiffel Tower. That was really nice. Loved that. There's a huge TV in here as well, which we never used. And that's it. All in all, this place was great. Great location. Absolutely love the bed. I definitely stay here again. It's a great location.